Welcome to Jethro's Garage. I hope y'all are having a great day. Thank y'all for coming in here and joining in with me, and let's talk about tools. Today we've got the bluepoint socket bit driver set. It's the BLPBTWKIT. Now, this kit, it has a lifetime warranty, made in Taiwan, and it's a little bit expensive. Y'all come on up. So this kit, it's $171.50. I am not sure what was paid for this. My little brother got this for me probably 2 Christmases ago, maybe 3. I can't remember. I have used it a decent amount. You can look and you can see the scratches on the inside of that. There's been used. A few more. The 13 there's been used. Not sure what else. I used to keep this in my bags on my motorcycle. It's a fairly nice kit. It is expensive, but it's very high quality as well, with the backing of a pretty decent company. Sorry, I had to move my chair out of the way. So this kit, it comes with a bit driver, and on the other end, it comes with a 1/4-inch drive. 1/4-inch drive can be effectively used with all these sockets. You got sockets 4 through 13, no skips. You've got a long extension. I think that's about 4 inches. Let's look at it. Yep, 4 inches. And then you have got all of these bits. You've got 3 sizes of flat heads. I'll tell you what, let me bring you a little closer. You got 3 sizes of flat heads. You got a PH1, PH2, T15, and all these torques are security torques or tamper-proof. T15, T20, T25. Then you've got the Allen heads, 1/8 inch, 5/32, 3/16, and then you got 2 square drives, S1, S2. I threw this T27 in here so I could use it on different things. Look, it's a good kit. It's not for everybody. I'm not sure I would have bought it for myself. But you never know. So remember when I'm showing you this is how old is it? At least 2 years old, maybe 3. There's some pitting going on here on these sockets. Let me check another one. Let's go down here to one that I know I haven't used. Let's see. 7mm. I'm not seeing the same pitting. Not sure what's going on with that one. This one looks, maybe. So the chrome isn't all that great. Then again, I can't tell you if it was better when these were new. The broaching looks good. It's very nice in there. Let's check the ratchet out. There's some spots on here, but the chrome's better on this one. Again, I can't tell you whether this was like that new or not. I really didn't look at it that close. It was an awesome Christmas present from my brother. Let's listen to this ratchet. Sounds pretty good. This one's a little tighter. I believe it's 72 tooth. What does it say? Speed disc. So you're pulling something out. You can use it like that. Plus, it's got the socket release here. And it's pretty small. Nice and recessed here. Look, this is a nice kit. I've said it before though, this isn't for everybody. It's a significant price, especially when you can have other kits for, you know, a bit less money. Let me go grab another kit. So here we got a couple of samples of kits that are less money and, you know, quality that is comparable or better. This is a bigger kit, and it doesn't have all the sockets that has, and these aren't even the same style, but super low profile. Then you can get this Vim half cut kit that's kind of similar. We've still got our 1/4 inch. There's no sockets included with it, but there's a ton of bits. High quality little kit. And then you got this. Now this kit is not better. I would not say this is a good substitute for that kit. But this kit is cheap. And it's very, very, very similar to that one. Plus, this one has SAE. I have done a review on this before. I wasn't super happy with it to begin with, but I think it's kind of grown on me a little bit. I did buy it used from Amazon, so this lid was broke. But it comes with, so let's see, 14, let's see, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, and then 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, and 9/16. So this kit, it is a what's the word I would like to use? This right here will probably do you just as good as that bluepoint kit. Is it the same quality? No. Does it have the same customer service? Probably not. But, you know, you're going to get something that's still got a lifetime warranty. I think this is made in China or or maybe Taiwan. Let me see. I'm a-looking. Hold your horses. Having a hard time finding it here. Yep, made in Taiwan. So, not a bad little deal. The ratchet's a little clunkier, but that's okay. Let me put this back up. Y'all want to see a review on that? Let me know in the comments. So, socket set's not for everyone. It's a nice set. There was a little bit of issue with the chrome. I don't know that that's, you know, from it being used or if it's from come that way. I wish I could have did it sooner, but I didn't. I think if I could get this a lot cheaper, I'd like to have it. But other than that, I think it'd be a hard pass for a lot of people considering it. But you never know. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate y'all coming in here, sitting down, and talking tools with me. If you like this video, please make sure to press that like button. Please subscribe, and if you don't mind, share me with your friends and family and all of that. Have an air bubble stuck right here. Thank y'all. Have a great day and have a blessed week.